Hi, my name's Juliet, and today I'm going to talk about the full indented and enumerated outlines in the compile screen in Scrivener 3 for Windows. As I mentioned in a previous video, there are several compile templates that work with your synopsis. They take the title from your binder and add the synopsis underneath, but that's not all they can do. They have a couple of options where you can use automatic numbering. I've given each of the documents in my binder a corresponding synopsis line in the inspector. Let's have a quick look at the default section layouts that have been given to this manuscript. As you can see, the chapter title has its own layout, and the other two sections have both been given the decimal layout. This, without any adjustment, is how the file comes out with the default settings. It's in landscape, which I presume is normal for this kind of document. As you can see, the chapter is numbered normally, and each section within it is numbered correctly for the levels, starting with 1. Then chapter 2 is numbered normally, and the numbering within the section goes back to starting with 1. Obviously, this can be adjusted by selecting different section layouts. You might well want all the chapter 2 numbers to begin with 2. Let's try a few variations. In order to get the numbers to continue throughout your document, you need to use the decimal format for every section, and this is how it comes out. Obviously, you wouldn't want to call your main sections numbered chapters if you were to use this. The other option in this template is alphanumeric, so I'm going to just apply this to all the sections and compile that. As you can see, the levels alternate between numbers and letters, and restart with each chapter. If we go into the enumerated outline, you can see the settings are almost identical. So what's different about this template, apart from the obvious font choice? This template is created using indents, and the full indented is created by moving the left-hand margin. I assume this is because they are complying with a specific format. There is another outline document template that uses the synopsis, but that looks completely different in terms of section layouts. There are way more of them. So if you want me to do a separate video on that one, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you again next time.